How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Waddy here, and here's an interesting sight. I am at a Ford dealership, as you can see behind me, with my truck. No, the K1500 is not going anywhere. What I'm doing is I'm looking at different trucks that are out there in the gas category right now, because I already know what I want diesel-wise. Diesel-wise, I've got it narrowed down to 3 trucks I want, but in the gas category, I'm just kind of looking around. Now, before anyone asks, why don't you look at the Chevys or anything, unless it's an 18 or older, or in the 2500 and 3500 series, 19 or older, I have no interest. I don't like the new body styles. I don't think they look good. It's just not my forte. Have test drove a new Ram 5th gen, freaking loved it. Test drove a TRD Pro Tundra, liked it, but it's missing a lot of features for $50,000. So right now I'm looking at some Fords right here. The aluminum duties, or aluminum bodies, whatever you want to call them. But so like this one right here is an STX package. It's got the 5.0 V8 in it, the tow package, and they're asking $46,100 for it. But it's got a center console, but it's got rubber flooring. So it's like an XLT package, but it's got a little bit more fancier features, I guess. I mean, I don't know how to put it, but what I like about these though is the front ends. I love the way they color match and blacked out. The front ends look so much better to me. Oh, I love it so much better. But let's see if a better look over here. Yeah, it's like a stripped down truck, I guess you can say. I don't know how else to put it. So we got a blue one over here, STX 4x4. Probably the same kind of concept. Yep, same kind of concept. But I want heated and cooled seats, so I might have to jump up to this XLT right here. Got, I don't know if it's got heating and cooled seats, but it's a very, very nice truck. I like the blacks. I can do a lot of, I just don't like the chrome in the front end. It's my only issue with them. Don't like the chrome. This one's 54. Good lord. I don't know if it's got heating and cooled. I don't think it does. Another XLT 4x4. I like this though over here, this like a maroon red. Oh my lord, I like this a lot. This is a very clean and nice truck, and they're asking $55,000 for it. Yeah, this one's a little bit more equipped. It looks like, let's see here. It looks like it doesn't have a heated or cooled seats though, but I'm really digging this color. I love the color of this. And then you got this Sport Edition XLT 4x4. Sport Edition. Don't like the graphics. I'll probably have that taken off. I'm not a huge fan of the graphics, but it's got the color match front end. Looks like it needs a really good cleaning too. For $56,000, yeah. Like that though, but what motor's in it? What we got here? 3.5 liter EcoBoost. I do like the EcoBoost engine option. That I either want a 5.0 or a 3.5 liter EcoBoost. So let's go around to the front and check out those trucks up there. So we got a 2018 FX4 package XLT, all black with the black front end. It's got a color match, which I really, really dig about that. Yeah, I really like that. FX4 package with 5.0 Coyote in it. It's a really, really clean truck. It's got the heated seats in it. It's not cool, but it's heated. It's just a very, very clean truck. That's in $54,000 for it, but it's a 2018, so it's got rebates. So it might get a lot cheaper than that. But down here, we got the Lariats. Got a King Ranch. I'm not really interested in the King Ranch. If I was gonna go King Ranch, I'd go Platinum, honestly. But we got a Lariat right here. Again, I don't like the chrome in the front end. It's my only deal with these. They're asking $63,000 for this one, but it's got heated, cooled seats. I mean, it's got, yeah, it's nice. That's so clean. It's a nice, nice truck. Oh yeah, that's clean. And just a regular 4x4 option. So if you're going to sell it to the Lariat, you might as well stick it to one of these bad boys, the new Raptors with the high output V6 in it. It's also got, in 2019, they've got the new live suspension with self-adjust itself as it senses what kind of ground you're on and stuff like that. They're asking $76,000 freaking dollars for this bad boy. Oh, I love the black on these trucks. They look so daggum good. That's 70. That one's 76. That's one's 73, and the gray one is 66. So I guess just the options on what you have in the truck that determines that. But it's a nice truck. Don't get me wrong. It is stupid nice. We got some stuff over here. We got a XLT FX4 package. So let's see how much they want for this. 55. Very clean. Doesn't have a bed liner though. We got some Mustangs right here. I just see how much the Mustangs are, because I mean, for the money, you can make these things scream. 36. The 10-speed auto. Wow, I forgot they have the 10-speed autos in those now. We got the King Ranch. I don't see many of these anymore. I don't think people are buying many King Ranches anymore. I don't see many on the road. 68. Interesting interior choice though, but so yeah, that's my that's kind of looking around and see what I would like and stuff like that. So I don't know, I'm still undecided. More than likely I want to go the diesel route. If I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys, I want to go the diesel route. But if I went gas route, it would be a hard choice between, I need to test drive one of these and see if I like it or not, and we'll go from there. But it's really interesting in these 2018 rebates, so see how much they would mark off of one of them. Oh yeah, here's a new Ranger. We got a Ranger right here. Looks ugly. I don't like them. I'm sorry. It looks like a Colorado to me. So they copy literally a Colorado almost to a T. So not a huge fan of the new Rangers at all. So now we're back at Fox Tux. They got a new truck in, and a lot of you asked me about that Dodge I looked at. Yes, it's still here. It was some weird sales deal, like it's sold through the dealership through a private party, but they're asking like stupidly amount of money for it, way too much than what it's worth. But right here, guys, is one of the trucks I've been eyeballing for a long ass time. L5P GMC Denali Duramax. Number one, love these front ends once you get them blacked out, but this thing's got paint chips galore in the front end. God bless. Let me get that fixed. Anyways, but oh, it's such a clean truck. It needs to get that fixed. It's kind of broken. It's got water in it. It's a clean truck, don't get me wrong. It's just the front end, those tow mirrors need to get fixed, which I got sponsorships for that. But I can fix that. But I love these GMC Denalis. Might have to come back and test drive this. Me and Hunter might have to come back and test drive one of these bad boys. So we'll see, but freaking love this truck. Okay guys, it's currently Thursday. Nothing much has gone on this week. We're getting ready for this weekend because we're going out of town. Me, Megan, my girlfriend, Hunter, and his girlfriend Ivy. But right now I'm sitting in a Walmart parking lot with my boosted auto mirrors. Wondering why? Well, I'm meeting the guy that's gonna paint my caps. I said in the previous sponsorship video about painting the whole mirror. I realize I can't do that now because if I paint the whole mirror, it covers the boosted auto logos on it. So I can't do that. Sorry about that, my superintendent called me. Anyways, so I can't paint the whole mirror. I am gonna paint the caps though. They are gonna be color matched to the truck, so it's spoiler for you all. Caps are being color matched, but I can't paint the whole mirrors. I can't cover up that boosted auto logo. I could paint around it, but it'll look really, really weird, and I don't want that. And plus, it'll look fine. The black on the gold, it's gonna look fine. So that's going on. I got another thing coming later on this video of every modded truck should have this, because it just fits a modded truck. So stay tuned in this video. We'll get to that part, but right now I'm waiting on the guy to come, and this looks sketchy as crap, but see where it goes. All right guys, so the mirror caps are off at the paint shop right now. They're getting done. So hopefully next week we'll get those back from the paint shop, get them on the mirrors, get them on the truck, and be ready for good for Daytona. So that's what's going on with that. Went off good, met the guy, awesome guy, and all that stuff. So we're gonna get everything back. We'll give all the description down in the next video on the mirrors, and that video on the mirrors, all the description for the painting and all that will be down in the description. You know the drill. So right now I'm about trying to let the sun go down a little bit, so that'll be the heat of the day. I'm gonna put the new decals on the truck, and then we'll go from there. So you probably clicked on this thumbnail because of this little tube right here, and the reason why I have this tube is because I got two, not only modifications, but things I added onto the truck. A lot of you all run decals on your truck, and I've got plenty of my truck, my Instagram name, my logo, you know, all that stuff. But there's one that it's not a sponsored video. This is not a sponsorship or anything like that. But if you want to sponsor me, buddy, feel free to hit me up. But anyways, what I've got on the truck is now I've finally got the locally hated decal. If you don't know the group, the guy, there's a guy that runs locally hated, awesome guy, mental force, can't remember his name. He's got a bunch of stickers, decals, hats, shirts, you name it. All the links will be down in the description for his Instagram and his page, or his website for it. Please go hit him up and get some decals and some merch, guys. This stuff is awesome. I got the locally hated on the passenger side. This is going to be more local sponsorships like that coming soon. Some stuff on this coming very soon on more local sponsorships. But anyways, so I got a locally hated one. I got one more other one. Now I'm kind of starting my own collection of stickers inside the cab on my my 5% brow strip. I've got the "It Just Looks Illegal" right here with my VMS Racing Line X sticker and Amsoil sticker. Right along here, I've got that right here. It looks really good. But the slogan for one of the slogans that he uses for his thing is "Dope shit brings the hate quick." And it's very true. If any of you all build trucks and are in the process of building a truck and you're public about it and you post stuff on Instagram to update people on what's going on, you will get your fair share of people just hating on it. Whether that's because they don't like your setup, whether they don't like the truck, whether they just don't like you. No matter what, there's going to be people out there who are keyboard warriors. And this is not to be complaining or you know, whatever. Here's my message on that. Don't listen to them. It's your build. First and foremost, I get messages all the time saying, "Hey, what will look good on my truck? Hey, would this look good on my truck?" And I don't mind helping people like that, because, you know, we all need a second opinion. But at the end of the day, guys, it's your truck. It's your vision. It's your passion. That's the main thing. When you build a vehicle, make sure first and foremost you like that vehicle. Not because it's popular, you can make it look good, but you genuinely like the vehicle that you want to modify. Second of all, modify the way you want to. Whether that's a daily driver or a tow rig or a work truck or a SEMA truck or a truck show only truck or whatever it is, build it the way you want it to be built. That's my message, guys. And locally hated kind of encapsulates that. He's got some funny slogans, some funny memes and all that good stuff, but he really does encapsulate that, because with the modern day of social media, people can hide behind a keyboard. They won't tell it to your face at a truck meet or whatever. And the people that have told me they don't like stuff about my truck, I have a lot more respect for those people, because they come forward straight faced to me and say, "Hey man, I'm not a huge fan of this on your truck." And usually when we talk it out, or I'll talk about it and why I went that route, and they're like, "Well, that's cool, you know, I respect it, but it's just not my style." That's perfectly okay, because we all have different styles. And as the truck show season really gets underway with Daytona coming up, I'm seeing a lot of that kind of stuff on social media. People revealing the builds, people revealing what they've been working on all winter, and stuff like that. And it's sad. It really is sad that people are that shallow, that are not willing to work for what they want in life. Or even mommy and daddy's money, okay? I honestly don't have an issue with that, as long as the kid's not boastful or the person's not boastful, brags, or anything like that. Just, this is my truck, my mom and dad bought it, big whoop, you know, they move on with life. I like those kind of people. But most people that, here's the saying, anyone that's doing better than you or at your level or doing better than you in life will not hate on you. I've noticed that 10 times over. Anybody that is not willing to get up to take that next step into that next level of life, or not willing to work for themselves or work for what they want, they're always going to have negative comments. They're always going to bash you no matter what, because they're not willing to put themselves out there. They're not willing to go after something because they're scared of what other people will think. I've learned doing YouTube for almost 2.5 years that no matter what you do, someone's not going to like it, especially my front end. And the funny part is, some of those people that hated on my front end, that didn't like it whatsoever, are in the DMs, in my messages, asking me how I did it, how I mounted the light bar, and it's not the way you think. Everyone thinks I mounted the light bar to the bumper. The light bar is not attached to the bumper whatsoever. Again, not revealing that until after show season. But The bumper is nowhere near. But so that's my message, guys. I love the decals, man. If you watch this video, I do like your decals. I love them. They look really good on the truck. So I'm gonna close out this vlog. I'm sorry it wasn't really an action-packed vlog. I've been really busy with work and school and trying to get the truck ready for Daytona. But the mirrors should be going on another week and a half or so, hopefully. Cross my fingers and pray. But that's gonna be all for this video, guys. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.